My name is Christian Clay with Scientific Financial Systems. Today we're going to be using Quotient to calculate the Williams percent R factor and try to identify some overbought and oversold signals. So first let's go to Jupyter, open up a notebook, and I already got Williams percent R here. And first thing we're going to do is load our root lib. Now that that's finished, we can start bringing in our data. So I'm going to bring in close, high, and low from the data stream library. And we'll bring in daily data. All right, and we can take a look at one of those just to make sure it looks good. And yep, that Q looks good. We have about 1.285 million records. So let's keep going. I'm going to calculate our highest high and our lowest low. And I'm using moving maximum 1D. This is a Qubel method. 10 periods. Key space equals dates. So we're aggregating across dates. And we want to do a check. So 50% of the data needs to be valid, but we don't care about else. And same thing for the lowest low. Only difference is we're going to be using moving minimum 1D. The cool thing about this is none of this is in memory. We're using the Qubel, so all of this stuff is going to be running on Snowflake on their warehouse. So you don't incur those, costs with traditional things like pandas and stuff like that, where you have to bring those 1.2 million records into memory. And it should be significantly faster, especially if you're on a laptop or something lower powered. You don't have to worry about that. And after that's finished, we can run that. And start working on the last part of the factor. So we're going to take the difference between the highest high and the close, divide that by the difference between the highest high and the lowest low. Multiply by -100, and that'll run. And yeah, we can look at the results from this. I'm going to show you one other cool way to use a Qubel, and then I'm going to show you how easy it is to get that into pandas and continue your work in pandas. So while that's running, I'm just going to go ahead and say, you can do this cool thing with a Qubel. Say we just want data points from a random day last week. We can give it the dates column and specify the date that we want. So let's do something from last week. We'll do the 7th. And then run that. Now this is going to give us a Qubel with significantly less results. And now it's going to be a little bit more manageable for pandas to handle. So yeah. So there we go. Now we only have about 1,000 records. And these results do look good. Looks like the Williams percent R. Let's bring that into pandas. So we'll call this Qubel method to pandas data frame. Set that to a data frame. Run it. And I'll show you how easy it is to just, now it's basically pandas. You can filter it down even more. Let's say we want the signals between -20 and 0. So overbought. And we can do that. And that's it. Thanks.